Alright guys, so welcome to today's giveaway video. In today's giveaway video, I would like to present you a iceberg move right here. Alright, so I have created everything myself, so from particles to meshes to whatsoever. Alright, so there is a link to this model inside of my Discord server, and the link to the Discord server is inside of the description, guys. Alright, so I would like to see you there. And there's also a link to my second channel description as well, so I would love to see you there as well. Alright, with that being said, enjoy.